A concept that's not really very difficult, but I want to go ahead and make sure that you know how to approach it, is finding the median of a data set. Now, the median is going to be the middle number, but let's take a look at a couple of the issues that could come up for you. Let's look at an example. Let's say we've been given a data set with 5 numbers, 75, 73, 45, 90, and 62, and we want the median. Well, the definition of the median is that it's the middle number, and I've got 5 numbers, so the one in the middle is right there, and the median must be 45. Well, that's oversimplifying things. Before we find the median, the first thing we want to do is rearrange those numbers from smallest to largest. So that approach that we just took there is not going to work. First, let's rearrange those numbers from smallest to largest. The smallest number we have is 45. Next would be 62. Next would be 73. Then 75. And then 90. Now that we've got the numbers arranged from smallest to largest, the median is the number in the middle, and the median of this data set is 73. Next question that comes up a lot of times with students is, well, what happens if you have an even number of data points? Let's take a look at that. This time, we've got a data set with 6 data points: 45, 62, 73, 75, 90, and 91. These are already in order from smallest to largest, so we don't have to worry about that. What we do have to worry about, though, is, well, the median is a number in the middle. Well, I've got 3 numbers here on the lower half of the data, and I've got 3 numbers here that are in the upper half of the data. I don't have a number that's right in the middle. Now, this might sound a little strange, but what we're going to do to find the median of this data set is we are going to find the mean of the 2 points that are closest to the middle. So we're going to take those 2 numbers, the 73 and the 75. We're going to find the mean of those 2 numbers, and that is going to be the median of this data set. So that'll be 148 over 2, which is 74. Not coincidentally, it's halfway between 73 and 75. That's kind of what we're after here. And so the median of this data set is going to be the mean of the 2 numbers that are closest to the middle, and so the median of this data set is going to be 74. One question students sometimes ask is, well, how can that be the median? That's not one of the data points. Well, that's okay. If you were to find the mean of this data set, chances are it's not going to be one of the data points either, and we're okay with that. Same thing with the median. It doesn't have to be one of the data points. It's a number that tells us where the middle of the data set is, and that's what this does.